Very good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about Maths Assignment 4 for 8th standard. The examination model is 3 Romans are there: first Roman, second Roman, and third Roman. In first Roman, 2 ones are 2 marks, second Roman, 2 twos are 4 marks, and third Roman, 4 ones are 4 marks. Total 10 marks. So time of examination is 20 minutes. So you have to finish this examination within the 20 minutes. So we are going to discuss about first Roman first sum. Okay, children? First Roman first sum. What is the first Roman first sum? What are the two numbers whose sum is 5 and difference is 1? What are the two numbers whose sum is 5 and difference is 1? Okay, the solution of the first sum. Let the two required numbers. Let the two required numbers x and y. Okay, the sum is equal to 5. The difference is equal to 1. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. On solving these equations, minus 5 and plus 5 will be cancelled, get cancelled. 2x, that is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Okay, substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5. Substitute x value. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. So, therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 are the required answers. Okay, children. Next, we are going to discuss about the second sum. Okay. Second sum. What is the second sum? Find the complement of 12 degrees. Second sum. Find the complement of 12 degrees. Okay, the solution of second sum. Let the complementary angles. Let the complementary angles is equal to x and 90 minus x degrees. Therefore, the complement of x degrees is equal to 90 minus x degrees. Like that, therefore, we want the complement of 12 degrees. The complement of 12 degrees is equal to 90 minus 12 degrees, that is equal to 78 degrees. Therefore, the complement of 12 degrees is nothing but 78 degrees. Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? We have to find the ages of Rahul and Lakshmi after 5 years. The solution of the third one. So, given that the ratio of the ages of Rahul and Lakshmi, given that the ratio of Rahul and Lakshmi is equal to 5:7. Then let their ages will be, let their ages will be 5x and 7x. Okay, children. 4 years later, Rahul's age is equal to 5x years and Lakshmi age is equal to, Rahul age is equal to 5x plus 4 years, Lakshmi age is equal to 7x plus 4 years. Therefore, their total ages is equal to 56 years. Therefore, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. 5x plus 7x is equal to 12x plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. So 12x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 by 12, that is equal to 4 years. Therefore, Rahul age is equal to 5x, that is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 years. Likewise, Lakshmi's age is equal to 7x, that is equal to 7 into 4, that is equal to 28 years. About second Roman second sum. The perimeter of a school volleyball court is 177 feet and the length is twice the breadth. What are the dimensions of volleyball court? It's very simple. Fourth Roman. Let the width is equal to x feet. Therefore, its length is equal to 2x feet. Therefore, the perimeter of volleyball court is equal to 177 feet. So therefore, we know that the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 of L plus B. Therefore, 2 of L plus B is equal to 177. Substitute L value and B value. So 2 of L place 2x and in B place x is there in 177. That is equal to 2 into 3x, that is equal to 177. 6x is equal to 177. X is equal to 177 by 6, that is equal to 29.5 feet. Okay. Therefore, width is equal to x is equal to 29.5 feet. Length is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 29.5, that is equal to 59 feet. Now we are going to discuss about third Roman. The sum is a sum of 500 rupees is the form of denominations of 5 rupees and 10 rupees. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of notes each dimension. It's very easy, children. So look at the board. Solution. Third Roman. So third Roman, fifth one. Let the number of 5 rupee notes. Let the number of 5 rupee notes is equal to x. Okay. And the number of 10 rupee notes is equal to y. And the number of 10 rupee notes is equal to y. You understand? The total number of notes is equal. Therefore, the total number of notes is equal to 90. Okay, children. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90. This is the first equation. Okay, children. A sum of 500 rupees is form of denominations 5 rupees and 10 rupees. 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Therefore, 5x plus 10y is equal to 500. This is on solving these two equations, we will get x plus. Okay, on solving these two equations, x plus y is equal to 90, 5x plus 10y is equal to 500. Therefore, multiply x plus y is equal to 90 by 5. So 5x plus 5y is equal to 450. Therefore, 5x plus 10y is equal to 500 and 5x plus 5y is equal to 450. So change the symbols. Plus 5x and minus 5x will get cancelled. 10y minus 5y is equal to 5y. 500 minus 450 is equal to 50. Therefore, y is equal to 50 by 5, that is equal to 10. Substitute y is equal to 10 in equation 1. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90. So, x plus 10 is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 80. Therefore, number of 5 rupee notes and the number of 10 rupee notes are 80 and 10. 80 and 10. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you very much. So these are the solutions of maths assignment 4 for 8th class children. Very simple. You have to follow this solution. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. Thank you very much.